Before we delve into the fascinating world of these extraordinary creatures, it's essential to clarify what we mean by immortal. In the strictest biological sense, true immortality, the indefinite continuation of life without the possibility of death, is elusive. However, certain organisms exhibit remarkable longevity and regenerative abilities that defy our conventional understanding of aging and mortality. For the purposes of this exploration, we will focus on organisms that have the following three abilities. Exhibit exceptional longevity. They have significantly longer lifespans compared to similar species. Possess regenerative capabilities. They can repair or replace damaged tissues or organs. Demonstrate dismissed senescence. They show minimal signs of aging or decline in function over time. With this definition in mind, let's embark on a journey to discover 6 of the most extraordinary examples of these biological marvels. 1. The immortal jellyfish, a biological enigma. The Turritopsis domnii, often dubbed the immortal jellyfish, has captured the world's imagination with its extraordinary ability to reverse its life cycle. This tiny hydrozoan, typically only a few millimeters in diameter, challenges our fundamental understanding of aging and death. Unlike most animals, Turritopsis domnii doesn't follow a linear path from birth to death. Instead, it possesses a remarkable ability to rejuvenate itself. Typically, jellyfish undergo a complex life cycle involving alternating polyp and medusa stages. The polyp is a sessile colonial form, while the medusa is the free-swimming, bell-shaped stage we commonly associate with jellyfish. However, Turritopsis domnii can defy this pattern. When faced with adverse conditions such as injury, starvation, or old age, the adult medusa can undergo a remarkable transformation. Its body begins to deteriorate, and the jellyfish sinks to the ocean floor. But instead of perishing, it transforms into a polyp-like structure. This process is known as transdifferentiation, where mature cells change into different types of cells. From this polyp, new medusae can bud off, genetically identical to the original jellyfish. Essentially, the organism has found a way to reset its biological clock, returning to a younger life stage. While the term immortal jellyfish is captivating, it's essential to clarify that it doesn't guarantee indefinite life. Turritopsis domnii can indeed reverse its life cycle multiple times, but it's not invincible. Jellyfish are still susceptible to predation, disease, and environmental hazards. Furthermore, the process of transdifferentiation is not fully understood. Scientists are still investigating the exact mechanisms involved and the conditions that trigger this remarkable transformation. It's possible that certain factors, such as age or environmental stress, may limit the number of times a jellyfish can rejuvenate itself. The widespread distribution of Turritopsis domnii, combined with its ability to potentially outcompete other jellyfish species, has raised concerns about its ecological impact. While there is no concrete evidence of the immortal jellyfish causing significant harm to marine ecosystems, ongoing research is essential to monitor its population dynamics and potential effects on biodiversity. 2. The Indefatigable Planarian, master of regeneration. Planarians, unassuming flatworms belonging to the Dugisia genus, have captivated scientists and enthusiasts alike with their astonishing regenerative abilities. These tiny creatures possess an almost supernatural capacity to rebuild themselves from seemingly insignificant fragments. One of the most striking features of planarians is their ability to regenerate entire bodies from minuscule pieces. Scientists have successfully regenerated complete individuals from fragments as small as 1/179th of the original worm. This incredible feat is made possible by a specialized type of stem cell known as a neoblast. Neoblasts are undifferentiated cells that can divide and differentiate into any type of cell in the planarian body. When a planarian is cut, these neoblasts migrate to the wound site, proliferate rapidly, and differentiate into the missing tissues and organs. Within a matter of days, a completely new head, tail, or even an entire body can be regenerated. Neoblasts are the key to the planarian's regenerative prowess. These remarkable cells constitute a significant portion of the planarian's body, making up around 20 to 30% of its total cell population. Their ability to divide and differentiate into any cell type is unparalleled in the animal kingdom. Scientists believe that neoblasts are responsible for not only regeneration, but also for maintaining tissue homeostasis and replacing old cells. This continuous turnover of cells may contribute to the planarian's remarkable longevity and resistance to aging. Perhaps the most astonishing aspect of planarian regeneration is their ability to regenerate their brains. When a planarian's head is severed, the remaining body can regenerate a completely new brain, including all the neurons, glial cells, and neural connections. This remarkable feat has profound implications for understanding brain development, repair, and regeneration in humans. Scientists are actively studying the molecular and cellular mechanisms underlying brain regeneration in planarians. By unraveling these processes, they hope to develop new strategies for treating neurological disorders such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and spinal cord injuries. While planarians offer a wealth of opportunities for scientific discovery, there are still many unanswered questions about their regenerative abilities. For instance, scientists are still working to fully understand the molecular signals that control neoblast behavior and the precise mechanisms underlying tissue patterning during regeneration. Moreover, the potential applications of Planarian research to human medicine are still in their early stages. Translating findings from planarians to humans is a complex challenge, as there are significant differences between the two species. However, the knowledge gained from studying planarians can provide a foundation for developing novel therapeutic approaches. 3. The Ocean Quahog, a Methuselah of the sea. The Ocean Quahog, scientifically known as Arctica islandica, is a marine bivalve renowned for its extraordinary longevity. This unassuming clam, often overlooked in the grand scheme of marine life, has captured the attention of scientists and the public alike due to its remarkable lifespan. What sets the Ocean Quahog apart is its exceptional age. These clams have been found to live for centuries, with some individuals reaching ages of over 400 years. The record holder, famously named Ming, was determined to be 507 years old, making it the oldest known animal ever recorded. This astonishing longevity is achieved through a combination of factors. The cold, stable environment of the deep sea where these clams reside contributes to their slow metabolism. This, in turn, slows down aging processes and allows them to accumulate years at a steady pace. Determining the age of an ocean quahog is a meticulous process. Scientists examine the clam's shell, which is composed of layers deposited annually. Much like the rings of a tree, these growth rings provide a chronological record of the clam's life. By carefully counting these rings, researchers can accurately estimate the clam's age. While the exact mechanism behind the longevity of ocean clams is still being studied, it is believed that there are several factors that contribute to their exceptional longevity: DNA repair, protein homeostasis, metabolic efficiency, and cold environment. DNA repair. Efficient DNA repair mechanisms are essential for preventing cellular damage and aging. Scientists hypothesize that ocean quahogs may possess superior DNA repair systems compared to other organisms. Protein homeostasis. Maintaining protein quality and function is crucial for longevity. Ocean quahogs might have developed effective mechanisms to prevent protein damage and aggregation. Metabolic efficiency. A slow metabolism reduces the production of harmful free radicals, which can damage cells and accelerate aging. Cold environment. The cold, stable environment of the deep sea may slow down metabolic processes and protect the clam from oxidative stress. Challenges and conservation. Despite their impressive longevity, ocean quahogs face threats from human activities. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change pose significant challenges to their survival. Additionally, the demand for clam meat has led to concerns about the sustainability of harvesting these ancient creatures. 4. The Enduring Lobster, a perpetual adolescent. Lobsters, those armored crustaceans often gracing our dinner tables, are remarkable creatures with an unusual characteristic. They seemingly defy the aging process. While most animals exhibit signs of aging and decline as they grow older, lobsters appear to maintain their vitality and reproductive capacity throughout their lives. One of the most striking features of lobsters is their continuous growth. Unlike humans and most other animals, lobsters don't stop growing when they reach adulthood. Instead, they undergo a process called molting, shedding their hard exoskeleton to reveal a softer, more pliable one underneath. This allows them to increase in size. This perpetual growth is made possible by a specialized tissue called the epidermis, which produces the exoskeleton. As the lobster grows, the epidermis secretes new layers of chitin, the material that makes up the shell. When the shell becomes too tight, the lobster initiates the molting process, shedding the old exoskeleton and expanding its body before the new one hardens. While the ability to continuously grow is impressive, what's even more remarkable is the apparent absence of senescence, the biological process of aging. Unlike many animals, lobsters don't show signs of age-related decline in their physiological functions. Their fertility, for example, remains high throughout their lives, and they continue to be active and vigorous. This lack of aging has puzzled scientists for years. Theories abound, but the exact mechanisms behind the lobster's longevity remain elusive. Some researchers suggest that their ability to regenerate lost limbs and tissues may play a role in their extended lifespan. Others point to their efficient DNA repair mechanisms as a possible explanation. In conclusion, lobsters are extraordinary creatures that challenge our understanding of aging and longevity. Their ability to continuously grow and maintain their vitality throughout their lives makes them a subject of fascination for scientists and the public alike. Protecting lobster populations is essential for preserving these remarkable animals and ensuring the sustainability of the lobster industry. 5. The indestructible tardigrade, nature's ultimate survivor. Tardigrades, often endearingly called water bears or moss piglets, are microscopic animals renowned for their extraordinary resilience. These 8-legged creatures can withstand conditions that would be lethal to almost any other organism, earning them the moniker of extremophiles. Tardigrades have been found in the most extreme environments on Earth, from the freezing depths of Antarctica to the boiling hot springs of Iceland. They can survive in the vacuum of space, exposed to intense radiation, and desiccated for decades. The secret to their survival lies in a unique state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis. When faced with extreme conditions, tardigrades enter cryptobiosis. Their metabolism slows down to an almost imperceptible level, and their body loses almost all of its water content. In this state, they can withstand temperatures ranging from near absolute zero to well above boiling point, crushing pressures, and even the absence of oxygen. Scientists are working diligently to understand the molecular mechanisms that underpin the tardigrade's incredible resilience. One theory suggests that they produce a unique set of proteins called protective proteins that act as a shield, protecting their cells from damage. These proteins may help to stabilize cellular structures and prevent the formation of harmful free radicals. Additionally, tardigrades have been found to possess a high concentration of disaccharides, such as trehalose. These sugars are thought to play a crucial role in protecting cellular membranes from damage during desiccation. The ability of tardigrades to survive in the harsh conditions of space has made them a focus of astrobiology research. Scientists are studying these creatures to gain insights into the possibility of extraterrestrial life. If life can survive such extreme conditions on Earth, it raises the possibility that similar organisms might exist on other planets or moons. By understanding the mechanisms that allow tardigrades to survive in space, researchers hope to develop strategies for protecting human astronauts on long-duration space missions. Additionally, studying these resilient creatures could lead to the development of new methods for preserving biological materials for long periods, with potential applications in medicine and food science. Despite their extraordinary resilience, tardigrades are not invincible. While they can survive extreme conditions, they are still vulnerable to habitat loss and pollution. Many tardigrade species are found in freshwater habitats, which are increasingly threatened by human activities. 6. The enduring tortoise, nature's Methuselah tortoises, particularly the giant species found on islands like the Galapagos and Seychelles, are renowned for their exceptional longevity. These slow-moving reptiles have captured the human imagination for centuries, symbolizing wisdom, patience, and endurance. Giant tortoises are among the longest-lived vertebrates on Earth. Some individuals have been documented to live well over a century, with records indicating lifespans of 150 years or more. Their slow metabolism, coupled with a robust shell offering protection from predators, contributes significantly to their extended lifespans. The Galapagos giant tortoise, for instance, is a marvel of evolution. These creatures have adapted to the unique environment of the Galapagos Islands, developing distinct subspecies with varying shell shapes and sizes. Some have even evolved elongated necks to reach higher vegetation. While the exact reasons for the tortoise's extraordinary lifespan remain a subject of scientific inquiry, several factors are believed to contribute to their longevity. Slow metabolism. Tortoises have a remarkably slow metabolism, which reduces the production of harmful free radicals. These free radicals are associated with cellular damage and aging. Robust shell. The tortoise's shell provides excellent protection from predators, reducing the risk of injury and premature death. Herbivorous diet. Many tortoises are herbivores, consuming a diet rich in antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from damage. Efficient DNA repair. Tortoises may possess efficient DNA repair mechanisms, which help to prevent the accumulation of genetic mutations associated with aging. Despite their remarkable longevity, giant tortoises face significant threats. Habitat loss due to human activities, such as deforestation and agriculture, has reduced their populations dramatically. Invasive species, such as rats and dogs, also pose a serious threat to tortoise populations. While the concept of biological immortality remains elusive, the organisms discussed in this article offer tantalizing glimpses into the possibilities of extending lifespan and defying the aging process. From the regenerative abilities of planarians and jellyfish to the longevity of clams and tortoises, these creatures challenge our understanding of the fundamental processes of life and death. As scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of these remarkable organisms, we may one day gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of aging and the potential to extend human lifespan.